In this video, I will show you how you can slope the stringers or connect them to a sloping deck, something that is going to be waterproofed or have some type of a waterproof surface on it. Now, before I get started, let's go ahead and take a look at what the stringers would look like if they were installed level with the deck sloping. So you can see here that the floor joists have been shaped on the top to provide a 1-inch slope in this area. And most of the time, a 1/4 of an inch per foot slope is required for a deck surface like this that is going to be waterproofed somehow on the top to protect the wood framing below. So again, let's go ahead and focus on what we need to do to this particular stringer and this particular stringer. And I'm sure it's obvious to most of us, all we need to do is cut the stringer, top of the stringers, to the desired height to match the slope on the deck. And you could figure this out by using a little bit of math or creating a level surface for this step right here and temporarily connecting these stringers to the deck to where they would protrude up a little bit, and then you could simply mark the desired location that the cut will need to be made. And then, of course, you can install your waterproofing material. Now, keep in mind that if this is sloping a little bit, that your treads will need to be sloping also. Usually, we're going to have between 1/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch per foot slope going in this direction. The water will run down the stairs in this direction. And I know what you're thinking. Instead of doing that, you can slope the stairs in this direction and all the water can run off. However, that might not make your local building inspector happy. So there it is. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment area, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible.